Okay, guys, this is the Order Blue Kings, Mancane Smalls. So right now I want us to do a review of the trades that we took this week. Today, since today is Friday, I just want us to do a video of all the trades that we took this week, all the winnings and all the losses. So at the moment, you can see that this is NZT CAT H4 time frame. On H4, if you remember, if you are in the premium group, you know that I dropped this signal of a buy of NZT CAT. I dropped the signal of a buy of NZT CAT from the first H4 zone, this one, the one I just marked here with my horizontal line. That's why we had our first entry point. Then I realized, okay, since that was the first entry point, then when you can go with this thing, you realize this is the high of this lower low. Then I realized the market just took out this high with, when you go to smaller time frame like H1, you realize there's a supply zone here. This supply zone has been taken out. After taking out the supply zone, I saw this strong impulsive because there is no impulsive movement here. This is only the impulsive move that we have here. Then I told you to buy NZT CAT on Monday. Our TP was there. So if you can check why I said there, because I saw that this is the high that we have. This one I didn't care about this because there's liquidity there. I saw this high as the one that we're going to take our take profit, for which it went straight to TP and then we hit our take profit there. So this is NZT CAT. I don't want to do a long video, guys, so allow me to just do it quick. And then this is GBP USD H1 time frame. Let's analyze it. This is the previous high. It's been broken. So this demand zone, market came back and retested the demand zone and shifted very fast. I saw this around NFP last week. This one, they retested this one around NFP last week. So I saw that, okay, this demand zone has already been filled. So this one is, since it's already been filled, what is it that I want to do today? Yesterday I saw this supply zone is the one that broke this demand, and then what happened, I saw the market retested, and then this is where I have my stop loss on my account. I'm still holding this thing. So now, since I'm still holding this sell, and then I realized they just took out another low here. This low, this order block is the one that is responsible for this low to be taken out. So I'm expecting the price to come back on this zone and then we sell it, because now I realize dollar is very, very strong. We'll continue with the sell. Then there's GBP JPY. If you remember correctly and you are in a premium group, you know that GBP JPY, we bought GBP JPY from this zone. I bought this GBP JPY from this zone. When I posted a signal, I was already inside. Then in the group on Saturday, when the market was closed, I told you when the market opens on Monday, because this is the open of the market on Monday, I told you when the market opens, buy GBP JPY. Our stop loss was exactly below here. So this was our stop loss of GBP JPY. And then because I saw that this supply is very weak, then the market went straight to the top, because this is where we had our take profit, as you can see where my arrow ending. This is where we had our TP. So it went straight to take profit. The reason why this thing decided to sell off is because they respected this QML level here. They respected this QML level. After respecting this QML level, they sold off. And then now today, I told you to sell it. Today is Friday, by the way. I told you to sell it from this zone. It was exactly there after breaking. When it was breaking, I told you to sell, because I realized the market is coming from a strong zone and they created higher lows and lower lows. So this is the reason why I said let's sell. But just be careful. If it didn't enter, just wait. This market will still come back and retest this zone where we entered, and then your stop loss there, and continue with the sell all the way down there. That's where I'm expecting GBP JPY to sell all the way to. So the another pair, which is gold, gold around CPI, If you remember before, I don't know if it was Wednesday, I don't remember because I don't check news. Then I realized here we have imbalance here. Then the market broke this. First thing, let's start here. Market is respecting this bullish trend line. They broke here, they came back, retested, broke here. This is the now broke this level and then came back and felt this imbalance. This is where I had my entry point, and then my first TP was there. Then I dropped a signal of buy gold, of a gold buy, pending order here, stop loss there. But unfortunately, they decided to take our stop losses out because we used the tight stop loss we were supposed to use just below this week here. And then now what happened is they respected the setup even though they took out stop losses, because the candlestick closed inside again. They didn't break it, they closed inside. They just grabbed liquidity stop losses, and then market went up again and then all the way to the top. At the moment, don't try to sell gold because it's very tricky, because I know that gold and GBP USD, when dollar is strong, they are all these pairs they are selling. But unfortunately, gold this time they are not doing it, because gold and Euro USD they go similar. But now Euro USD is selling, gold is buying. So, and then we have this is called Euro AUD. Euro AUD, I gave out Euro AUD, I think it was on Wednesday in the group, pending orders. I gave you pending orders of Euro AUD, put pending orders and then stop loss below. Then what happened around NFP, market came back and retested the zone and shoot straight to the top, which is here. And then now they broke this high, if you can check. Now I'm expecting this market to just go deeper inside the block, and then that's where you're gonna enter again, because this was our first TP. I'm still expecting this price to go all the way to that high that we have in this H4 time frame. So let's shift to another one, which is Euro GBP. I dropped Euro GBP in the group. I don't remember, but this week we took a trade on Euro GBP H1 time frame. Euro GBP. I took a trade on Euro GBP. Why? I saw that Euro GBP. This is the what? This level, as you can see, it's a sensitive area. And then when you put a trend line here, market has been respecting this trend line going all the way to the upside until they broke that level and retested there. After retesting that zone, I saw that okay, now this is a zone now. This is the one that took out this low. After taking out that low, I realized that I want just a retest and then I'm selling. This was my retest, this is my TP. Then I said this is our first take profit, then our second take profit there. But it went straight to take profit and came back to retest, and then now this thing is still selling. But as long as we pegged our TP, we are fine. So let's continue. We go to Euro USD. Euro USD yesterday, I sold Euro USD. The reason why I sold Euro USD is because I saw this demand zone is broken. So since this demand zone is broken, where the order block that is responsible for this demand to be broken is this one. There is no order block here, but this one, which is broke this one and then came back. I sold this thing when this thing was still consolidating here, and then my stop loss was just above this week. And then now on my account, I'm still holding a sell. Then I'm expecting this thing to continue with the sell. It's nearly my take profit Euro USD. I know a lot of people were buying, but unfortunately this thing is on a bearish trend. And then let's shift to another one, which is GBP CAD. GBP CAD, we entered GBP CAD on Friday. We entered GBP CAD on Friday from H4 time frame. I want to show you something. On H4 time frame, we entered this. This is a QML level. This is the left shoulder, then the head, then the right shoulder. I'm expecting the price to come back and retest the right shoulder. Why? Because this order block is the one that is responsible for the price to break here. As you can see, this was the low. This market has they broke this low from this order block, not here, but from this order block here. So this is liquidity. This is liquidity. I saw that the market need to grab this equal high and then come back here and retest, then we sell it. That's why I gave you pending orders, and then on Friday I told you we are triggered, we are in. So since you are in them, this is our first entry point. Let's go to lower time frame. Today I told you to add more positions. As you can see, if you still check the structure, I want to show you something. That's why I've been telling you to purchase my course and then give you one-on-one sessions. If you can check this structure, this structure here with the QML level, this structure there with the QML level is the same structure here. Is the same structure here. Is the same structure here. Just you need to open your eyes and have the skill. This is the left shoulder now again, and then the right shoulder. They did the same thing that they did on our left from our first entry point. So this was the another area of entry. Then I told you to add more positions on GBP CAD here. So let's shift to another one, which is CAD CHF. CAD CHF, we are analyzing. CAD CHF, you can see that CAD CHF from daily time frame is on a bearish trend. You have, if you are putting trend lines, there's a trend line from here to here, all the way to the upside there. There's a trend line there. There's a trend line all the way from that level. There's a trend line. This trend line respects these levels. Not there, but here. I think somewhere here. This trend line respects these levels there. This trend line respects these levels. So that's the reason why, yeah, like this. This trend line respect these levels. That's the reason why this thing sold. I'm like, okay, since they sold like that, then now we have our liquidity there. This is the left shoulder. I'm expecting this price to come back and retest here. Our stop loss is just gonna be above here. I'm expecting this price here to retest and then we sell it. So I'm expecting this thing to happen next week. At the moment, we're gonna just let it go. So today in the morning, we had a buy on euro JPY. The reason why I said let's buy is because they took out the supply zone and created a new higher high. Then I saw this rejection. Then it was here this week on 15 minutes time frame. There's an order block. That's why I said let's buy here. I was beating the price to go and retest 165.030, and then we sell it from there. But unfortunately, we took a loss to this level here. This is where we took our loss. So yeah, we took a loss. So now I'm expecting this thing to continue with the sell. I'm expecting them to come and retest the zone and then sell off all the way to this level. As you can see there, I'm expecting this thing to go all the way down there. So there's a trade that I did in DM, which is USD CAD. Allow me to rotate my phone very fast and then add USD CAD. Remember we took USD CAD. Remember we took Euro USD CAD here. This was my order block of Euro USD CAD. And then I saw that they just broke here, this high, and created a new high around the NFP. I had this setup. If you saw my status or on my Facebook page, I posted this. I bought Euro USD CAD from this level here all the way to the top. So at the moment, let me end this video here. Just share this video so that it can help someone out there who doesn't have enough funds to purchase our course. Those who are under Order Block Kings, I'm doing 3 one-on-one sessions for $20, and those who are new students is $35, including 4 one-on-one sessions and then lifetime signals. Anyways, cheers guys, have a lovely weekend.